Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm doing this for a friend of mine. And first of all, the person I'm doing it for, your lines look jagged because when I open it up, I open it up in your file. So you need to go to View and change this to Enhanced, and then you get a better, smoother line. Doesn't really, I don't think it affects the cutting of your laser. And also, I would send you the file done, but I don't have this font, or it changed the font when I opened it up. So this is all grouped together. We're trying to nest as many as we can on this laser bed, which is 24 by 12. And also the person I'm doing it for, if you will take this corner right here and put it right there, and then you have 0, 0 at that corner. So we're going to nest as many as we can on here. There's a program that'll do this, but with this shape, you're not going to get too many more. Control D and make a duplicate, and then we're going to flip it. But then we need to flip it again. You need to make sure that the writing is correct, because if you don't, half of them will be off, and this is right. So we're going to start moving it and then hold down the control button. I'm going to change my nudge distance to 0.02. I'm going to grab it. I'm going to nudge it out of the way until all my cuts are away from each other. And then the way I found this is almost a rectangle. It is 4.71 wide. Change your nudge factor to 4.75. Control D and make a duplicate. Control D and make a duplicate. Control D, Control D. That is about as many as you're going to get widthwise. But if we look, now it is 5.4 and there's plenty of room. So we're going to change our nudge factor to 5.1. We're going to select them all. We're going to Control D and we're going to move them down. You could actually move them down a little bit more because you've got plenty of room. Now this is going to save a little bit of wood. Now your piece of wood only has to be 24 by 11 instead of 12. Save you a little wood, or you'll have some scrap left over. It should not affect the cutting ability because you've still got plenty of space between there. Anyway, I'm hoping that's what he was looking at, and thank you for watching.